What's going on, guys? This is my karate kick tutorial. And a stance tutorial too, an MMA stance. Or rather a karate stance. You're gonna go like this. I'll perform the kick now. You're going to step forward like that and kick. Step forward and kick. Simple, guys. It's a simple MMA kick. Not even MMA, it's karate or something. I don't even know. Because I got that move off of Mortal Kombat Deception, the game, on PS2. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.